Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best hole saw sets on the market right now. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional looking for the perfect kit, we've got you covered. Stick around to find out which one is the right fit for your needs. As always, check out the product links in the description below for more details. Let's get started. At number 5, we have the Kata 6PC's hole saw kit. This set is perfect for simpler DIY projects involving soft wood, thin PVC, or plywood. It includes 4 commonly used hole sizes, ranging from 1 to 1/4 to 2 1/8, along with a mandrel and a hex key, all packaged in a neat storage case. The build quality is decent, made from heat-treated carbon steel with a black coating to resist rust. While it's not as heavy-duty as some other options on this list, it's lightweight and gets the job done for low-intensity tasks. The sharp teeth of the saw ensure smooth cuts with minimal resistance, which is a plus for beginners. However, the shallow maximum cutting depth of 1 inch limits its versatility. This set isn't suitable for hardwood, dense boards, or metal. That said, if you're working on light materials and need a budget-friendly option, this kit is a solid choice. The portability and easy storage add to its appeal, though professionals may find it lacking for more advanced projects. Coming in at number 4 is the Milwaukee 49-22-4025 13-piece hole dozer hole saw kit. Known for its durability, this kit is designed for general-purpose use and is a trusted choice for professionals and DIYers alike. It includes 13 hole saws made from bimetal, offering a strong balance of flexibility and longevity. Milwaukee's standout innovation is its proprietary tooth design, which delivers faster cuts and a longer lifespan. The hole dozer kit is especially effective on metal, making it a great choice for electricians or plumbers. It's also robust enough to handle wood and plastic, giving it versatility across materials. The sturdy carrying case is another bonus, keeping all components organized and easy to transport. The downside, it's a bit pricier compared to other options, and its metal-focused design may not be as efficient for softer materials. Additionally, the lack of additional accessories like mandrels and hex keys in the kit means you might need to purchase some extras. Overall, though, it's a reliable, durable option for heavy-duty applications. At number 3, we have the Kata 20 PCS hole saw set. With 13 saw blades ranging from 3/4 inches to 6 inches, this kit is one of the most comprehensive options on our list. It also includes 2 mandrels, 3 drill bits, an installation plate, and a hex key, making it a versatile choice for a variety of tasks. The carbon steel construction ensures durability, while the black coating helps prevent rust. The ultra-sharp teeth allow for faster and cleaner cuts, and the included solid storage case keeps everything neatly organized. This set is ideal for working with soft wood, plywood, plastic, and thin PVC boards, making it a great option for general-purpose home improvement projects. However, this kit is not recommended for harder materials like metal or hardwood. Additionally, the maximum cutting depth of 1 inch may be a limitation for some users. If you're looking for a comprehensive set that can handle a variety of light materials, this Kata kit is a strong contender. In the number 2 spot, we have the Haichika 19 pieces hole saw kit. This budget-friendly option is perfect for hobbyists and DIYers who need a reliable set for light-duty projects. With 13 saw blades ranging from 3/4 inch to 6 inches, plus 2 mandrels, 2 drill bits, an installation plate, and a hex key, this kit offers excellent value for its price. The carbon steel construction is heat-treated for added durability, and the black coating helps resist wear and rust. This kit is designed for cutting through soft wood, thin PVC, and plywood. However, it's not suitable for metal, hardwood, or applications requiring deeper cuts, as its cutting depth maxes out at 1 inch. What makes this kit stand out is its affordability combined with a comprehensive set of accessories. While it's not the most heavy-duty option, it's a fantastic choice for light-duty tasks and budget-conscious buyers. Just don't expect it to handle more demanding professional projects. Taking the top spot at number 1 is the Haichika bimetal hole saw kit. This premium option offers 11 saw blades ranging from 3/4 inch to 2.5, along with 2 mandrels, 3 drill bits, and a hex key. It's designed for cutting through a variety of materials, including soft metal, wood, PVC, and plastic. The bimetal construction features high-speed steel with a cutting-edge hardness of 69 to 81 HRC, making it one of the most durable options on the market. The saw teeth are optimized for precision and fast cutting, and the side chip removal groove ensures smoother operation. The sturdy storage case is compact and portable, adding to its convenience. This kit's versatility and build quality make it an excellent choice for both professionals and serious DIYers. While it's slightly more expensive than some other options, its performance and durability justify the price. If you're looking for a high-quality, versatile hole saw kit, the Haichika bimetal kit is the clear winner. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video helped you find the right hole saw set for your needs. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth product reviews. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. See you in the next one.